I'm Brandon, founder of Land AI. I ran call centers for years, have done over 10 million cold calls, and captured tens of thousands of land leads. So when I say I understand how investors think about control and leads, it's because I've lived it. One of the biggest questions I hear is if AI starts filtering my leads, am I going to lose control? Here's the truth. You still see every single lead that comes through, whether we classify it as pre qualified, hot, nurture, or a tire kicker. It's still all right there in your dashboard. You can open the notes, review the transcript, and decide for yourself if you agree with the classification. We also have a human in the loop QA team that listens and verifies every call before it's finalized. So there's always a human oversight behind the automation. When we start with a new client, we generally keep the filter wide open. Usually 30 or 40% of the total leads make it through. So you can see everything that comes in. As we learn your preferences, we tighten it down typically to about 20 high quality sellers per month. But even then, nothing disappears. You still have full visibility, full access, and the ability to adjust the filters anytime. So, no, AI doesn't decide for you. It just saves you from wasting time on the wrong leads while giving you total insight into every conversation. That's what real leverage looks like. It's control without the chaos.